The buttered toast phenomenon is the folksy observation that falling buttered toast always lands butter side down. This 1884 poem puts it nice. I never had a slice of bread, particularly large and wide, that did not fall upon the floor and always on the buttered side. But the first science I found about it was a 1991 study the BBC did for their series QED. They tossed buttered toast into the air over and over again and found that it landed butter side down just half the time, which is the same as what would be predicted by chance. But being thrown into the air isn't usually how toast falls. No, it's usually accidentally pushed off a table or another surface. And to that end, several studies have found that when toast is dropped from a table, it does in fact usually fall buttered side down. One of these studies, called Tumblin' Toast, Murphy's Law, and the Fundamental Constants, won the Ig Nobel Physics Prize in 1996. When toast is pushed off a table or counter, it falls from a pivot point when the weight of the toast is more than the friction keeping it on the table. And the study found that as long as the height of the surface that the toast is pushed from is less than 10 feet tall and the toast is pushed less than 3.6 miles an hour, the toast will indeed fall buttered side down. The paper also posits that the weight of the butter is unimportant. The asymmetric behavior of falling toast is not the result of the extra mass of butter. A typical piece of toast weighs about 40 grams. The butter is at most 10% of the total. And anyway, it's mostly absorbed into the central regions. This effect on the dynamics of toast is negligible. And that's the morphodynamics of toast.